Hi, this is a project I'm calling Oval Slices. I'm Sara Peterson and I designed it. The first step is to print out a full-size copy of the pattern. Make sure it's full-size. A nice part about this project is even though that you're using a lot of different colors, you don't need very large pieces of any one color. So, opportunity to use up some scrap. The next step is to choose a color for a section and lay it onto the pattern. You want to make sure to line it up to the inside of the thicker interior lines. That leaves room for frit. The next thing you do is grab your Sharpie pen, trace the shape of the pattern section, just like so. Then using your glass tools, cut out the shape and be sure to sand or grind as needed. Do the same thing with all of the sections using the colors you've chosen for each one. Be sure to clean each piece and then glue it onto the oval base and let it dry thoroughly. You don't want the pieces sliding around with wet adhesive while you're trying to add the frit. Pour the fine black frit into the channels between each pattern section. Then using a small flat brush, just sweep them into place. I like to add a little tiny drop of hairspray, cheap hairspray, at the ends of each one of the channels to help hold the frit in place. And you can stop here for the nice clean look that I presented to you in the finished project, or you can add stuff. You can embellish it however you like to make it more unique or whimsical. You choose. Full fuse, and then be sure to slump it using the coordinating oval mold. It does such a great job of lifting the glass so that light can shine through all those beautiful transparent colors. Well, that's it. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the piece.